This is the paper bag hallway. Here, I'll back up. So this is our hallway. I did a paper bag floor on this hallway about a year ago. And so this is the 1 year update, and it's held up pretty well. So now, okay, so we bought this house a year ago, and we didn't know when we bought it, but after we bought it, we realized the carpet wasn't as clean as it looked, as it appeared. So we've been gradually trying to replace flooring in different parts of the house. And so our bedroom is right here. And so what I've done is, let me take you in there. So the carpet, it's a mess. The carpet in here appears decent. But the harder you look, our room's in total disarray right now because I'm working on it. But the more you look at the carpet, the more you'll see stains. You know, it's a white carpet. There's stains, and it's just, it bothers me. And so I'm starting to tear the carpet out. And what I did was, I'm the kind of person that needs immediate results. So I tore out the worst part of the carpet, which was over here. There's a little, some shelves where I keep stuff, and there's a bad stain right over here. And so I tore this carpet out, and then I paper bagged the floor, and I have my my coat of Minwax stain on it, and it's drying. So here's how it looks so far. What I did is I took some of the pieces of paper bag. Here's my paper bags right here. And I put them in a navy blue paint, glue, and water mixture because we have navy blue accents. We have our curtains that are navy blue, and I plan on having some navy accents. They didn't turn out navy because of the stain, which I knew would happen, but it gives that kind of hint. So here's what it looks like so far. Just a small section. It's time consuming. I hate ripping out carpet, and so my plan is to rip out a small amount at a time, roll it up, tape it up, put it out to the garbage, and then do that area that I tear out with the paper bag, just so I can see some progress, because tearing out carpet in a room this size is really tedious, and I just don't want to do it all at once. So far it looks pretty good. I'm a little surprised that it's not more glossy than it is. I was hoping for a little more of a sheen, but I guess that's okay. It looks really cool. Can already tell I'm going to need one more coat. The hallway, I think I did a total of 3 or 4 coats, and like I said, it's been a year, and we tread on that hallway a lot because it goes to our main bathroom. And so we tread on it a lot, and it still looks neat. So this is a really good way to do flooring if you're, on a budget, but mainly we're doing it this way because I had all these paper sacks from my cake business. I had a cake and cupcake business in the mall in Traverse City for a while, and these are paper bags we had left from it. So I have tons, and it's a good self-sustaining way to reuse, recycle those paper bags, and it looks cool as heck because underneath this is just subfloor. It's just that. And so instead of going out, and this room would cost at least $1,000 to carpet to have someone do it. So instead of doing that, this whole room will be done in the paper bag. I know it's what do you call it? That word. I can't think of the word, but oh, you know what word I'm trying to figure out. It's eager or whatever that word is to say that I'm going to do this whole thing that way, but I am. And when I'm done, I'll do another video. I'll be painting this brick. There's a faux brick on this wall. It's faux brick, but it's actual brick material, mortar, or brick and mortar. But they're like cut in half, like not a full brick. But I'm gonna paint that because it's dingy. Not sure yet what I'm gonna do about the ceiling because I don't like this ceiling at all. The ceiling fan, I'll be taking the blades down and painting them a matte black to update the look. Just painting, instead of getting a new light fixture, just painting that is going to really update it because that's what we did to our living room fan. And so, yeah, it's just going to look really cool. And the size of the room is, like I said, quite large. So, in disarray, really excited to show it off when it gets done. Today's just a rainy day in Michigan, and so this is a good inside project, but I do have my ventilation going because Minwax polyurethane, it says right on the container, it is toxic. So I have the door closed, I have my industrial fan blowing out the window. Trust me, I overthought this over and over, should I even use it? But you really can't get away from toxins in flooring because now they're saying that regular vinyl has toxins in it. So I'm just trying to not think about it. Anyway, more on this later. Hope you enjoyed it.